Taralli recipe. Hi everyone, welcome to the Cookie Couture where flavor and design collide. And this will be a Valentine's Day special gift for everyone. But first, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button and let's get started. Taralli or Tarallini are a traditional Italian snack that resembles a small, round or oval-shaped cracker or pretzel. And I am going to give them a spin and I'm going to shape them in X's and O's, especially for Valentines. We are going to start by mixing the dry ingredients, and for this occasion I am going to use double zero wheat flour. I am going to add sea salt, dry rosemary, you can also use fresh, paprika, and we're going to mix the dry ingredients very well. For this recipe, it's very important to use a very good quality extra virgin olive oil, and I am going to weight it. And also, I am going to weight the special ingredient on this recipe, that is dried white wine. I am going to use the stand mixer with the hook, but also you can do this by hand. I am going to start the mixer on low to medium speed. And slowly I am going to trickle the olive oil into the bowl. You can stop the mixer now and then to scrape the sides of the bowl. And continue mixing until all the olive oil is well incorporated. The mixture needs to look very dry and crumbly. Then you're going to trickle the wine and you are going to mix for about 10 minutes at medium speed. When the dough releases from the sides of the bowl and start forming a ball, your dough is ready. Wow, this dough looks beautiful. Now I am going to take it out and I am going to wrap it in cling film and let it rest in the refrigerator at least 30 minutes. Now let's unwrap the dough and I am going to form a big log. Now I am going to cut about 7 pieces. They might weigh about 10 grams each. Now you need to roll each piece of dough between your hands to shape it in a long noodle. Wrap it around your index and middle finger to form a ring by pinching the ends together. To make the excess, form a longer noodle and cut it in half. And place one part of the noodle on top of the other one to form an X, pinching a little bit in the center. Now bring the water to a rolling boil and add salt. Now that the water is ready, and you're going to make these in batches of 8 to 10 tarallini. Drop a few tarallini in at a time and cook until they float to the surface. Remove with a slotted spoon and let them dry on a clean paper towel. Now I'm going to boil all these tarallini, and in the meantime I'm going to preheat my oven at 375 degrees. In this part you can be creative. I am going to add a little bit of pepper flakes, fresh oregano, and paprika to some of them. These tarallini are ready to bake. I am going to bake them for 40 to 42 minutes or until the surface starts to turn golden. And they are ready! Oh my goodness, I can wait to try them. Now, the only thing that I need to do is put them in a cooling rack and let them cool down before I put them in an airtight container. I hope that you give a try to this delicious snack. It's going to be perfect for Valentines. And if you are going to give them to someone special, don't forget that the presentation is always very important. Don't forget to check the recipe link on the description of this video. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button, and see you next time. Bye bye!